once again, even though the dealer has extra cards, it just means another card's out. All right, so we still have a dealer score of 16, which we're always going to have. 2 and 5 is 7. 7 and ace, we're at 18. 8 and 7 is 15, and 2 is 17. Obviously, the two kings are a score of 20. 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 2 is 10. 10 and 3 is 13, and the ace is now 14. Queen 6 is obviously 16, and then 7 and 4 is 11, and 8 is 19. I count up my cards. 1, 2, 3 with the dealer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 52 minus 21 is a 31, and I'm getting every denominator in there. And now when I count my cards, okay, aces, I see 2 exposed. So there's 2 left. 2s, 1, 2, 3. So there's 1 left. 3s, 1, 2. So there's 2 left. Oh, nope. With the dealer, there's 1 left. Excuse me. There's 1, 3 up with the dealer. So there's 1, 3 left. 4s is 1 up with the dealer. So that's 1, 2, 2 left. And then 5s, 1, 2. So there's 2 left. So we're looking at 8 cards that are going to help the dealer, cause it not to bust. Now we go through the 6s. 1. So there's 3 left. 7s. 1, 2, 2 left. 8s. 1, 2, 2 left. 9s, there's 1 exposed up top with the dealer and none others, so there's 3 left. 10s, I don't think I saw any 10s, so yeah, there's 4 10s left in the deck. There are no jacks exposed, there's 4 of those left. 1 queen is exposed, so 3 of those left, and 2 kings. So 3 and 2 is 5, 7, 10, 14, 18, 21, 23. And then 23 plus 8 is 31. It works out. Okay? Winners. If I'm under 17, I have 23 chances of winning, 8 chances of getting beaten, no ties. 23 chances of winning, 8 chances of getting beaten, no ties. With a score of 17, I still have 23 chances of winning, but 2 ties, and therefore 6 cards that can beat me. And now I'm just adding wins and ties. That's 25, so 25 cards help player 1. 1 card causes a tie. 5 cards beat you. 25 and 1 is 26. 26 cards that help me win. 1 card that causes a tie. 4 cards that beat me. 26 and 1 is 27. 27 cards that help me win. 2 cards that cause a tie and 2 cards that beat me. And those are my answers.